Hello everybody. Have you ever wondered just how many people have lived on Earth since the beginning of history? It's a question that sounds both fascinating and mind-boggling. In this video, we're going to dive into this question and explore how researchers have come up with an answer. To answer this, we first need to understand when modern humans appeared on Earth. According to scientific evidence, Homo sapiens, or modern humans, emerged around 200,000 years ago in Africa. At first, human populations were very small and organized into tiny tribes. But over time, as humans developed hunting skills, agriculture, and the ability to form communities, population numbers began to gradually increase. The history of human population growth has been shaped by many factors, like technological advancements, agriculture, and health improvements. For example, in ancient times, human population growth was very slow. Around 8,000 years ago, with the development of agriculture, population growth picked up slightly. During major empires like Rome and China, population growth increased further, although it was still slow. Around the year 0 AD, the world's population was estimated to be only around 300 million. As we entered the Middle Ages, events like wars and the Black Plague led to severe drops in population. In later centuries, especially during the Industrial Revolution and with advances in medicine, the population began to grow rapidly. Now that we know how the population has evolved, let's see how researchers estimate the total number of people who have ever lived. One reliable source, called the Population Reference Bureau, estimates that over 100 billion people have lived on Earth up to this point. This estimate is based on data like historical birth and death rates across different periods. Researchers calculate an estimated number of people born in each era and then add them all together to arrive at this enormous number. However, it's important to remember this is just an estimate and can't be 100% accurate. Calculating this number comes with many challenges. First, there were no accurate records of population data in ancient times. Second, the average life expectancy varied greatly over the centuries. For example, in ancient times, people's average life expectancy was much lower than it is today, which affected the number of births and deaths. Sudden events like disease outbreaks, famines, and wars also led to major population decreases at various points. For example, the Black Plague in the 14th century wiped out nearly a third of Europe's population, which had a significant impact on the overall numbers. So in summary, it's estimated that over 100 billion people have lived on Earth since the beginning of history. This figure not only makes us reflect on how humanity has survived countless challenges but also serves as a reminder of our planet's limited resources, a fact that becomes even more crucial with the rapid population growth of modern times. I hope you enjoyed this video and found the answer to your question. If you have other questions you'd like us to explore, feel free to leave them in the comments, and we might cover them in future videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content.